And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today it's Friday and it's actually the 1st of March and we're starting a new month but also ending the week. So we're going to just do the daily recap and we're going to leave for tomorrow the monthly recap. I'm not going to do the weekly recap for simply this week. Tomorrow as part of the backtesting session, I'm going to do the monthly recap and understanding more and more about my setups and what I can do to improve my performances for the month of March. Today we're going to start with GJ and just having a look at what happened today. So very clear cut but missed entry. I only took one entry that was on gold, I think, not on GU. Okay, but let's start with GBPJPY, breaker retest of this order block, pretty straightforward. We're coming into the, it's also always nice to see how we have another block with these lows and we're coming into the pre-London time, and before pushing up, price needs to grab liquidity below these lows. So that's where many times I would be, for example, being stopped out with a fake out. It started due to this reason, but yeah, seeing this price action, price is giving us a break, clean breakout, very strong, 5 minutes of breakout, and then a very nice and aggressive retest. I like this retest with these type of candles because are those that give me the more, even though they are the most aggressive and they are the most scary, they are the scariest 100%, they give you the best trade ideas because it's just about a vacuum of buy orders, because now buy orders are waiting for the, there's not enough juice at this moment for price to just push up because there is not in a high volatility, high volume time, but the buyers want the price to go up, but so they wait, they want their price is over there. A lot of prices are actually at this level, and you can see it due to this price action and market structure, sorry. So you see that there's a vacuum in the buy orders, very aggressive, even with some slippage in the sell orders just to reach this level and then push up. So that's the best breaker retest that I can see. I was not trading, I didn't see it live for this time, and very nice breaker retest on the upside. After seeing this price action, something that I really wanted to take, but it's a concept that I don't have in mind, but I was not really looking at it, that's if I want to say, is that the London Open is actually this candle, this bullish candle, which very nicely did the same thing that happened over here. So we can see a very nice and strong continuation after this rejection and this bounce, bam, we have the continuation above these previous highs and the last highs. The London session candle is a flip, so it's a candle going down bullish over there. I don't know if we're leaving some weak or anything, but then closing bullish, giving you the confirmation that the price wants to continue up. And this, in this case, a buy limit over there would have been activated for a possible continuation bullish. Over here, there was no entry. In this one single candle, yes, but after that, there wasn't. I saw this possible breaker retest after this strong correction. You see, price is bouncing from an hourly PSA, and then what it does, it's very strong bearish price action, giving you this confirmation. And yeah, you have this area for a possible retest, because this is the same where I was looking for a buy. So the last high where I was looking for a possible continuation up, obviously after this full price action, I'm not looking for a buy anymore. But when I see this kind of sell, this is where I wanted to possibly have a sell for a correction, basically. Rejection at an hourly PSA and then full correction on the downside. So basically taking advantage of the bullish side, but then understanding the shifting market structure for the continuation down. You can see also how nice the price will retest this area, this order block where we got these multiple price sensitivity areas, will retest it before pushing even lower. And we can see that probably is around a 75% retracement. Probably it's a 75% from here. Yes, even better, 75% of the overall bearish move. You see the retracement, and then from the end of the pullback, and just a series of, I mean, you see that from 11:01 till 11:19, you only had like 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candle, and you see how the size, and basically 15, 14, 15 bearish candles, strong bearish candles, one after the other. Very, very nice. I was looking for possible sells below these lows. Here it will give you a trade idea, I mean a breaker retest in the same 1 minute candle, but yeah, it will just drop down. Maybe you have a retest of the hourly, maybe, yeah, that's another possible trade. I had this trade idea, as I was saying, it will get activated later on, but would only give you a break-even trade. After that, price would push up. I mean, here in New York, I didn't really look at GJ. I was looking more at the USD pairs, but gave a very, very nice clean setup. You can see over here, price is creating this order block, which is absolutely clear. Is a manual textbook order block. Breaks below with this 1 minute candle. Now we are talking about New York Stock Exchange opening here already, and you have this very nice break below and a super clean retest of these highs anywhere. Having a sell limit anywhere in this week will give you the entry for then having this very nice push. Even just, I mean, to retest these lows, which are the previous ones, this is about 37 pips, so it's actually a lot. And yeah, that was very, very nice, and yeah, very, very good trade idea, absolutely. After that, possible continuation below these lows would have been a break-even trade because we'll reach around 10 pips. After that, I stopped looking, and yeah, so very interesting sort of repetition of London and New York. You can see that during London we had price pushing up and then correcting, creating another block, and then correcting that other block. Same thing during New York. Its price is pushing up, creating another block, and then correcting it on the downside. So you see how similar they were. I mean, I can also give you something like that. So it's price pushing up, order block, and continuation down, pushing up, order block, and then price pushing down. Very, very nice repetition of London and New York sessions. So now let's go into this one, which is gold. I'm on the 20-tick chart. Let's go back on the 1 minute. Wow, we pushed a lot. I was not at the chart. Yeah, basically price, wow, moved a lot. So I left the chart at around, at 4, even earlier. Yeah, this one is the buy. Wow, would move very, very nicely. Of course, from there would move, I don't know how many hundred of pips, but wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I was looking for this buy, around 8 pips of drawdown, then to around 29, back to break even, and then it will push up. And yeah, let's just go back into the previous one from 2040. Now we are 2085. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, throughout the London session, it was moving quite nicely. It was the one that was trending, and I lost my time and I wasted my time with GU, but yeah, it moved very nicely. Very nice break below. This is around 36 pips, and then very clear-cut reaction at an hourly PSA, correction, and then starting some bullish trades. You can see, yeah, these were very clear-cut trade ideas. After that, yeah, another trade idea was doing the early, it's basically New York, a possible break-even trade over here, and then we had some news, especially we had the report coming up at 4, which is here, which was the main fuel for this, was also the main event for the session. Very nice break and retest of these previous highs. You can see that sometimes it's not about the latest one, sometimes it's about the highest one, I would say. But yeah, that's crazy. Price went 100 pips in 30 minutes, but it just kept pushing up. You have some small trade ideas, like for example, break and retest of this area, that's where you can enter. Or maybe you see this one, you have the breakout, yeah, this is around 9 pips, 9 pips. And yeah, you have the possible continuation, you see this price sensitivity area, this one will go 20 pips and then break even and then push up. This one is pretty clear, you have this area, very nice breakout, and then a possible continuation. You can see this is just a 50 pips in the matter of a few minutes. I mean, yeah, it's absolutely crazy. But you see how, yeah, how clean that is. Pam 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 pam. And yeah, the thing is, if I was in this exact, if I was trading that time, I would be continually asking myself, but why enter here? Why should it go higher? Why should we go higher and not pull back? And I should not ask myself that, because that's not in my control. But yeah, that's crazy. I mean, it's a very strong move just from the 300 pips in the last 3 hours. Basically, absolutely crazy. Yeah, in less than 1 hour and a half, basically it's 270 pips. And it keeps pushing. So I don't know if there was also any further news. There were some, of course, the PMIs. I don't know if yeah, somebody from these speeches said something that was very, very bullish for gold. I don't know if something happened. Okay, I don't know if there was any reasoning strongly bearish for the USD and strongly bullish for gold. Yeah, I don't know if there was anything specific from that. And yeah, let's just have a look at Bitcoin since we are over here. It's around 62, 63. Okay. And yeah, very strong move. Absolutely interesting. Okay, and let's go into GU. GU, the most disappointing one. Yeah, you can see that GU didn't move that much. I mean, from the same time it moved, but then retraced, retesting, started this area and then push up again. Yeah. GU gave a lot of good setups just after my trades. I took my loss over here. The setup is absolutely perfect. It's after London session. The volume is there. Unlucky because I go to 4.6 pips. If I had it over here, that would have been a break-even trade. So you see that sometimes having it over there, it's a little bit unlucky. And yeah, further below these lows, that would have been another break-even trade. And it will all be later on that we have a nice breakout, and that will be a possible win. After that, hourly PSA getting rejected, possible break below these lows. This is basically, I don't know if it was the same on GJ or not, but you can see that we have a strong rejection at the hourly PSA over here. Bam. You have the order block, you have the first time price breaking below and retesting and pushing down, but then you have also the retest below these lows in continuation. You see, bam bam, retesting this last area for possible continuation down for more than 10 pips over here, bam. And then price is ranging, and right before some news there was some nice break below these lows, which would push down for 15 pips. And then in this same candle, this is based on the 20 tick chart, which was quite clear. Yeah, you can see how on the tick chart you have a push and then you have a stronger correction, and yeah, that's where you have your 12 pips and even more, because this is the start of the actual of an actual very nice 50 pip, even more 50 pip move. And if we were just looking at the price action after that, because I was not looking at the chart, you can see how price gave a nice aggressive breakaway test around 2.5 pips, and then it will go 18 pips. So yeah, absolutely profitable, giving another retest, and then yeah, price a little bit stagnant because it's not pushing too much. It's a very nice retest of an hourly PSA, but not really much else. Very, very interesting, the part of gold. Yeah, I was not expecting that. And you can see on the hourly, yeah, we are pushing. Okay, yeah. Now you see why, where we reacted. You see, it's about this PSA over here that is coming from a long time ago. And yeah, absolutely. Now we know why. And yeah, look where we are reacting now. Bam, I started over there at the 2088, 2089. Yeah, absolutely. So we melted through this hourly PSA. We have no, you see that all these move 200 pip, there was no resistance on the left hand side for, I mean, the last area. Last time we touched these prices were at the beginning of the year, in the 2nd of January. And you can see how yeah, just price bam bam. From the 10 a.m. candle, it just spiked up more than 300 pips, facing this rejection at an hourly PSA. And then we have this one because it was the top of the candle. Yeah, but you can see where we are. Very, very nice. Yeah, I would have loved to been trading that, but I was not on the charts for that time. Yeah, from this time. So a little bit of FOMO, but of course, knowing that I'm a scalper, that I had multiple opportunities throughout the day to take advantage of this price. Yeah, I mean, I had my opportunities to make my money. I didn't do that. So the issue is not about the volume, it's not about the missing volume and momentum. It's just about psychology. So that's the main reason. So I will see you guys tomorrow with the monthly update. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you, as I said, tomorrow.